perhaps the biggest handicraft in the world, these urus connect Beypore in Kozhikode to the glorious days of the spice trade in Kerala. The shores of Beypore, located on the northern coast of Kerala, carry a secret that is only known to them. Uru or dhow was the traditional Arabian trading vessel associated with the shipbuilding culture of Kerala. And the art and science of making these ships are only known to the craftsmen of Beypore. Urus constructed here were much in demand among the merchants of the Middle East. The craftsmanship of the workers here is exceptional. Unlike modern-day shipbuilding, uru making is an undocumented process. Everything is framed in the minds of the shipwrights, who, as a team, execute the highly intricate woodwork to perfection. Khalassis or Mapala Khalassis, the high-skilled labourers of Malabar, play a major role in uru making. Normally, the hull of the vessel is brought to water before constructing the upper body. In uru making, the entire ship construction is completed on shore, and only the finished product touches the water by khalassis with the help of ancient pulley wheel mechanism. Beypore, which is around 28 kilometers from Calicut International Airport. Plan your next trip to Kerala and visit Beypore. Enjoy this incredible spectacle yourself.